Have you ever played the game telephone where a simple message gets passed along and by the end it's completely twisted? Well, the supply chain has its own version of that chaos and it's called the bullwhip effect. So what is the bullwhip effect? Imagine you're at the end of a whip. Tiny movements create huge waves further down. In supply chains, a teeny tiny change in what customers buy can make manufacturers and suppliers go wild with overreactions. Let's break this down using toothpaste because honestly we all use it and it's easy to picture. At your local store they usually sell about 100 tubes of toothpaste every week. Suddenly there's a little promotion and people buy 110 tubes instead. Not a big deal, right? But here's where the drama starts. The retailer sees that jump and thinks, whoa, what if everyone in town starts brushing more? I don't want my shelves empty. So instead of ordering 110 tubes for next week, they order 120 just to be safe. Now, the distributor gets this order for 120 tubes and thinks, something's up, demand is climbing, I'd better prepare. So they order 150 tubes from the manufacturer. The manufacturer sees that 150 and thinks, uh-oh, are we about to have a toothpaste craze? Better ramp up production. They tell their supplier, hey, send me enough raw materials to make 200 tubes. So, a tiny 10-tube increase at the store led to a 100-tube increase in production. That's a massive swing, just like cracking a whip. But why is this a big deal? Well, all that extra toothpaste has to sit somewhere. Companies spend money storing it, moving it, and sometimes it even goes to waste. Overproduction leads to higher costs, wasted resources, and a whole lot of stress for everyone involved. And it all started because of one little promotion at your local shop. So, how do companies stop the bullwhip from snapping out of control? First, it helps if everyone along the chain shares real-time sales data. If the manufacturer knows that the spike was just a local promo, they won't overreact. Next, using smart demand forecasting tools can smooth out those ups and downs. A lot of businesses also use something called just-in-time, which means only making what's needed when it's needed, cutting down on stockpiling. And finally, don't panic. Avoid placing huge batch orders just because of a short-term blip. Stay calm, plan together, and keep communication open. So the next time you see a sale on toothpaste, just remember, your shopping cart might have more power than you think. That's the bullwhip effect. Small changes, big waves, and now you know how to keep things smooth,